In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your Roblox user ID on mobile. This will work for both Android and iPhone. So I'm on the Roblox app and there's no actual way to get this information from within the app. So what we need to do is we need to close out the app, then just go to any web browser on your phone. In this situation, I'm in Google Chrome. In the search bar, I'm just going to type roblox.com. That will take me to the Roblox website, and then you can see at the bottom it says continue in browser. Just tap on continue in browser and it will ask you to log in. Before you do that, if you haven't logged in already, I've logged in already just to save time in this video. Once you're logged into your Roblox account, you want to tap on your little profile icon there near the top of the page to go to your Roblox profile. From here, you can see there's an address bar at the top with an address. Now, if I tap on that right at the top, on some phones you can see the URL, but on my phone I cannot see the URL. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy that link and then go to a notepad on my phone. So just open up, in my case, Samsung Notes. I'm going to create a new note and then I'm going to paste that link in there. And then you'll have a roblox.com/users, and this number right here is your Roblox user ID, and that's pretty much all you need to do to get your user ID on mobile. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.